Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete passwords in Proton Pass in 2026. If you want to remove old, unused, or insecure login details from your vault, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open Proton Pass on your browser, desktop app, or mobile device and log into your account. Next, go to your vault where all your saved passwords and login items are stored. Now search for the password entry you want to delete using the search bar or by browsing your list. Next, click on the password item to open its details page. Now look for the delete or remove option, usually found in the item menu or settings. Next, confirm the deletion when prompted to make sure you really want to remove the password. Now wait for the item to be deleted from your vault. Next, check your vault again to make sure the password is no longer visible. If needed, clear any synced devices so the change updates everywhere automatically. Finally, double-check that you are not deleting any important accounts before removing them permanently. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to delete passwords in Proton Pass. Your vault is now cleaner and more secure. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Hey everyone, welcome.